Hello my YouTube viewers, I'm Kizito. Today I'm glad that I'm going to show you how the intelligent provisioning on the server it's going to be how it works, and I'll do it in series because it's a long process. I'll be doing for you every day a partition about how the intelligent provisioning works on the server. Then still every day I'll do part 1, part 2 like that till when we shall complete this process. As a loyal club member, today I'd like to show that to you so that you can learn at least the IT based how servers do work out. Then if I told you look here, I have 2 servers. I have one and I have the second server. The first server is on, the second server is off because you're seeing this orange button. If I tell it's on, it is always the green button. Now I'm going to turn it on so that we can see the intelligent provisioning, how it works out. You just press this button, then these are hard disks, they will start loading. Then as it loads, we shall go to our monitor. Let me first pull this server out so that the monitor can be close to us. Then as it's loading, then you have to just place the keys. They will be displayed on the monitor down here, and you have to place the key that has intelligent provision option so that we can be able to log into our server. It takes sometimes to load. This option is here at the extreme end, but as it's loading, I will show you the buttons at the extreme end down here. Let's wait. It's on 39%, but it will be very fast when it's loading, and then we shall be able to see how this intelligent provision works out. I feel like as someone from loyal club system, at least I have to train you or to teach you different things that you just know that loyal club isn't all about. Now when you look here down here, it has the option intelligent provision. It is F10. You place F10 so that you can be able to see. It's always F10. Hope you can see it. It's just there. F10. You place F10. Then after it will respond to it. It will be able to respond. Then we shall go to the intelligent provision part. That's where everything is supposed to be done from. When it logs in intelligent provision part, then I will show you more other extra features in intelligent provision. As it's loading, meanwhile I was still telling you about loyal club. As a loyal club member, I feel like I have to train you at least to get to know the IT basics from different departments. Yesterday I tried to show you the new cameras that they were delivered to my office, and that I'm going to set them up, and I will do for you a video after I've done the setup, and I will show you how the cameras work out. But since I haven't started that process, now today I'd like to show you just how intelligent provisioning works out. If you want to get to know about intelligent provisioning, this is the option that you can use to monitor your server remotely, or even you can use the same application also as a setup on the server that can trace the errors that maybe would have caused your server to go off when you're not there. Then still what you should also know about intelligent provisioning, this is an option that helps you to partition your server. It helps you to add more other features like to lock some hard disks if you want to lock them, to assign them storage. Then even still on the intelligent provisioning, there are more other options here. We have smart storage administration, we have intelligent provision, we have script toolkit, still we have even the script toolkit Windows PE 64-bit mode. We have that, but we shall go to intelligent provisioning. That's what I told you to show you. When you select intelligent provisioning, it will give you the kernel loading and to give you more other extra options. Then we shall be able to also to see how those different extra options or programs that are under intelligent provisioning. When it loads, that's what the interface it always gives you on. It always gives you the white screen. It doesn't give you the other screen of Windows. It gives you the white screen and gives you such a welcoming mode. When it logs in, then we shall be able to see more other features and how it works out and how it operates. I would like to show you this so that you can be able to do this, have at least elementary IT from wherever you do stay. This is very simple, friends. If at all maybe you're a system administrator somewhere, you can follow this. When the intelligent provision opens, always it has steps. It has steps. If I told you, you see here on top, there are more steps here. We have step 1. Then there's a second step there. Right now it's still loading the network options. Hope you can see it there. It's initiating network. When everything is done, then those options will be active. When initiation process is done, then everything will be active. When it's active, then we shall be able to go to the next part. I have told you I'm going to be doing this in series so that you can be able to know all the steps, as I feel like as someone from RoyClub, that at least you can get to know this process. Today I've just tried to show you how the button, where each button you exactly supposed to place, so that you can be able to access this this system. At least you can learn that, and you can learn it from me. I think this is the date today. Today is 13th of March 2020. As a RoyClub member, I don't need to show that, but just know that our next video will be about how the different options in intelligent provision is. I've tried to show you the button that you use to place, so that you can be able to record, so that you can be able to access intelligent provisioning in the system. Thank you for watching. I'm Kizito.